In a world where technology is constantly evolving, there emerges a device that shatters all previous expectations. The iPhone 16 Pro Max is not just a phone. It's a revolution, a work of art, and a testament to Apple's relentless pursuit of innovation. The iPhone 16 Pro Max is a marvel of design and engineering. Its sleek, ultra-thin body is a sight to behold, and its robust ceramic shield front cover, tougher than any smartphone glass, ensures durability that stands the test of time. The Pro Max's Super Retina XDR display, the best in iPhone history, offers an immersive viewing experience with a resolution so high it's like stepping into another world. This device doesn't just look good, it performs with an intensity that's nothing short of awe-inspiring. At its heart is the A16 Bionic chip, the fastest chip ever in a smartphone. This powerhouse delivers top-notch performance, making everything from browsing the web to playing graphics-intensive games a breeze. It also powers the Pro camera system, taking photography to new heights. Speaking of the camera, the iPhone 16 Pro Max boasts a triple lens configuration with advanced features like night mode, deep fusion, and smart HDR4. It's like having a professional photography studio in your pocket. The LiDAR scanner ensures stunning depth in your portraits, and the Pro RAW format gives you unprecedented control over your images. But that's not all. The iPhone 16 Pro Max offers 5G capability, ensuring lightning-fast downloads and high-quality streaming. The battery life, the longest ever in an iPhone, keeps you connected and entertained all day. And let's not forget, it runs on the intuitive and user-friendly iOS 16, making every interaction smooth and effortless. To recap, the iPhone 16 Pro Max is a game-changer. Its stunning design, breathtaking display, powerful performance, professional-grade camera system, and unbeatable battery life, coupled with 5G connectivity and the seamless iOS 16, make it a device that's more than worth your consideration. The iPhone 16 Pro Max is more than a smartphone. It's a statement, a testament to what's possible when innovation, design, and technology come together. This is the future in the palm of your hand. Welcome to the next level of smartphone experience.